Hi. Welcome to our fourth video to learn how to build program logic. In this video we are going to see how to build logic to generate the Fibonacci series. So what is that we are going to see here? First, what the Fibonacci series and how it is generated. Next, how to build logic to implement the program to generate the Fibonacci series. Next, steps to generate the Fibonacci series. Next, the actual Fibonacci series generation program. And finally, a dry run. So let's begin. And remember to always focus on how the program logic is getting built. So what is the Fibonacci series and how it is generated? Let me write down the Fibonacci series first, which is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on. Now how do we generate it? See this. We start with first two numbers in series which are 0 and 1 and we add them. So, 0 plus 1 is 1, which is our third number of the series. We then add the second number of the series, which is 1, and the new one to get the next number in the series, which is 2. We then add the third number of the series, which is also 1, and this 2 to get the next number in the series, which is 3. We then add 2 and 3 to get 5. And then 3 and 5 to get 8, and so on. So this is how we generate the Fibonacci series. So how does one build the logic for the program? Simply add previous two numbers to get the next number. And then reassign first with second and second with the result. So what are the basic steps of the program logic? First, start with two numbers 0 and 1. Second, add the first and second number to get the third number. Third, set first number as second number. Fourth, set second number as third number. Repeat steps 2, 3 and 4 till you want it. Now we will start writing the actual program to generate the Fibonacci series. We start with the include and main statements. Main bracket opened and bracket closed. A programmer always puts right curly bracket as in when she puts a left curly bracket. This way one can avoid many errors. We then declare two variables first and second initialized to 0 and 1 respectively. Then a printf function to print the first two numbers of the series 0 and 1. Now we need to do addition and then a reassignment. We do so the programmer's way. For addition, we add first and second and store the result in second. And then assign first the value as second minus first. This way we have also reassigned the values. We then print the value of second, which has the value of the next number in the series. And to repeat this step we put these statements in a while loop which will run until the second is less than 3. And then with a getCh function and return 0 statement we end our main function. Now let's do a dry run. The program execution starts at main. The variables first and second are declared and are initialized to 0 and 1 respectively. The printf function is executed which will print values 0 and 1. Then while condition is checked, which is true. After addition operation second becomes 1. After subtraction operation first also becomes 1. Then the value of second is printed as 1. And the loop cycle ends. Again the while condition is checked, which is true. After addition operation second becomes 2. After subtraction operation first becomes 1. Then the value of second is printed as 2. And the loop cycle ends. Again, the while condition is checked, which is true. After addition operation second becomes 3. After subtraction operation first becomes 2. Then the value of second is printed as 3. And the loop cycle ends. The while condition is again checked and is second is 3. The condition is false this time and so the while block is not entered. After executing getCh function and return 0 statement of main, the program execution ends. Friends, if you found this video useful then please like it. Also do subscribe to the channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Also share this video and playlist with your friends. Thank you for watching.